These are some of the things you'll find at pinkandmane.com. I'm going to create 2 cards using these products, and I hope you really enjoy it. I'll keep the video short. I'll share some of the process with you. This video is part of a giveaway hop. You can enter to win a $25 gift certificate to pinkandmane.com. All you have to do is comment on this video, and the more videos you watch and comment on, the better your chances of winning. You'll need to go to the Rafflecopter link that's down in the description box to confirm your entry. The giveaway is open internationally for 1 week, and more details on the giveaway and hop are in the description box down below. This giveaway is open internationally for 1 week. More details and the next creator on the hop is down below in the description box. So make sure you click on over to the next person in the hop. Okay, so let's share some of these goodies. Now, I love Pink and Mane. I love how they have their dyes pink. I think that is awesome. I'm going to start with this cute stamp. Look how darling this is. It's called Happy Fall. I love the birch tree. He's got a cute little scarf that you can decorate. I'm probably going to do some paper piecing with that scarf and hat. There's this cute little fox. This was a free gift. And then there's a coordinating die. So it does cut out that birch tree for you. Now I'm going to do some paper piecing with this awesome paper pad. It's called Sweater Weather. And I love it because it has sweater patterns. I mean, how cute is that for paper piecing? They have slimline dies. We've got a stitched stacking slimline die. So this is a great staple. Then we've got Blessings slimline dies. And this is a scallop inward frame with stitching. And then you get some sentiments. So we got Autumn Blessings, Hello Friend, and Happy Fall, which I think is amazing. And then I have this beautiful stencil with leaves. I'm going to use that in the background. We've got the mini ergonomic brush, blender brush. So you've probably seen the bigger ones. Now this is the mini size one. So this is great for getting into the smaller areas. So it snaps in there, and then you got to pull it out. Now these bristles are really compact, and the brush is flat. You get a really nice blend with this. Super soft bristles. So I'm going to use that for my stencil here. And then to clean off your brush, they have this system here, the Squeaky Clean Brush Cleaner. And I heard this has a nice scent to it. So it looks like it's a collaboration with Brutus Monroe and Pink and Mane. And then we have the brush scrubber. It has a little handle on there. So you can hold it like that. You just squirt in your cleaner there. It does smell good. It smells really good. Take your brushes and then you just rub it on there like you are doing ink blending. So those little grooves here will get into the brush. So I love that idea to get down deep into the brushes. And then you can wipe it off on a dry microfiber towel. They also sell those. I'm just going to get my dirty one and just wipe it off. Then you have a nice clean brush. That smells really good too. You can see here that I'm getting a beautiful blend with this blending brush. I'm going to use the stencil right on top of my blended background here for a subtle look. So I'm using these similar colors that I've already used on my background. The colors I'm using are Antique Linen Vintage Photo and Rusty Hinge. I'm using the distressed inks. I love the look that these inks give. Now I could stop here and the background would be beautiful, but I had to go a little bit further, so I got my Lindy Stamp Gang sprays out, and this one is in a gold color, and I'm just tapping on the color to create some droplets. Now I'm using this beautiful blue color to do the same, and I really love how this turns out. It gives it some shimmer. Again, I could have stopped there, but I kept going. I wanted to make this background just amazing. So I took the Vintage Photo and I'm going around all the way around my card, around the edges there. It's gonna give it a glow in the center. I used the fired brick over the Vintage Photo, so I'm going around again and kind of leaving a little highlight in the center. Now I'm getting out the white acrylic paint for some more droplets. Now this is going to really bring out the colors in the background. It's just going to pop. Now it really looks very cool when you have all your images on top of the background. I just love the way it looks, and it's so much fun to create too. Now I'm doing some paper piecing with that sweatered pattern paper that I love. So I'm just going to cut right on the black line there and add that paper to his scarf, and it's going to look like he's got a real scarf on. I love it. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? Now I'm going to do the same with the owl's hat. Look at that cute stamp set. I just love it. So now I'm going to do some coloring. I'm going to stamp out my images and color up my images really quickly. I'm not going to share the coloring in this video, but there's a little snapshot for you. So I put a little hill down. I'm going to stamp out my sentiment, but this time I'm going to heat emboss my sentiment with white. So I just love the way that looks. Now, I wasn't thinking when I stamped down my sentiment about the frame. So the frame covered up the letter D a little bit. So I went in with a white Jelly Roll pen and just added that line for the D. I don't think anybody will notice. So now I'm going to place my little images around the card. This is the super fun part, creating a fun little scene. So some of the images are popped up with foam dots for added dimension. And I just had a really great time creating with these Pink and Main products. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, and I hope you'll check out the Pink and Main store at pinkandmain.com. And don't forget to click on the next person in line for this hop and check out their amazing card. I did do 2 cards, so you'll see another card which is super cute. I had so much fun creating that card. I will probably put the footage up in a separate video for you because I loved creating it. It was so fun. Just adding the finishing details for this card with a white Jelly Roll pen. And now here's a close-up look at the card. I just love that sky. Doesn't it look amazing? So now here's the second card that I did. Isn't that cute? The sky looks like a sunset. Kind of did the same technique that I did on the first card. But look at the trees. I cut them in half. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the hop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for notifications. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye guys!